Going back to your Tuesday, we really warmed up to 52 degrees for your high. It was spectacular, it was warm outside. Our low temperature was slightly above normal at 23 degrees, nowhere near the record of 68 back in 1986 and way off the record from -10 back in 1966. And looking at the amount of daylight we're receiving, we're already up to 12 hours and 40 minutes. Now today it's been quite a different story. We're still enjoying the sunshine, but clouds have been rolling in throughout the afternoon and now going into the evening, and that has caused those temperatures to fall about a good 15 degrees from what we were seeing on Tuesday. 36 in Marquette, 38 in Houghton, 41 in Munising. Warm spot, as you can see though, it's in Iron Mountain at 48 and Ontonagon at 51 degrees. Good news though, this cool air will be short-lived. We will begin to warm up as we go into the weekend. But looking at those winds today, we have seen winds pretty much coming out of the northeast at around 5 to 10 miles per hour, a little bit more out of the southeast in Escanaba at 8 to be exact. And as you make your way towards Ironwood, very light in general, only 3 out of the east. Now, going into the next couple of days, especially tonight, we already seen the clouds already starting to roll through. Tomorrow, we could have a couple of rain showers eventually mixed in with some snow showers, especially at night. That could cause some slippery roads. Best chances for those will be, though, the further south you go, especially along the Wisconsin border and also towards the eastern UP. So if you are going to be traveling, especially towards lower Michigan, do keep that in mind for your Thursday. It will be a nasty one. Now, good news though, by the time we get towards the second half of the day on Friday, it finally begins to clear out for the entire state. Sunshine returns for us, and temperatures will actually warm up into the 50s for the entire weekend. So it's just going to be spectacular first weekend of April, especially with April Fools approaching this Saturday. Now, looking at those clouds, they've really been rolling in throughout the entire morning, afternoon, and now going into the evening, spreading through the entire state. You can see how the rain just continuing to slowly push its way through from parts of the plains, now spilling over to parts of the Mississippi Valley. Threat for severe weather is possible in parts of the southern plains, and that will eventually begin to spill over into parts of the Tennessee Valley tomorrow, as you can see indicated in red. So very dangerous conditions. Hail, tornadoes are possible. For us, though, on the other hand, we're pretty much going to be dealing with partly sunny skies. Further east you go, we'll increase those mixed precipitation chances up to 20 to 30%. And then obviously towards northern lower Michigan, it's just going to be changing a lot back and forth between Thursday afternoon through Friday morning. Now, looking at that futurecast, you can see how the clouds are pretty much going to be with us for a good portion of your Thursday and Friday, but you can see how that precipitation just stays towards the south, pretty much affecting lower Michigan, just on the fringes of our area. So if you are the further south you go, more likely to want to bring that umbrella, and just remember to slow down, because with those temperatures hovering around 32 tomorrow night, could be a little bit icy. We could be dealing also with a couple of freezing rain and sleet mixed in as well. By the time we get towards your late Friday into your Saturday, you can see clear skies, and that's going to prevail as we go into your Sunday. For tonight, though, 29 degrees, winds out of the east at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Going into your Thursday, a little more closely, winds out of the southeast at 5 to 10. Temperatures are going to be pretty warm the further west you go, where the sunshine will prevail a bit more. 49 in Ontonagon as the clouds continue to be more dominant. Temperatures are not going to rise as high. 41 in Crystal Falls, 40 in Marquette, 39 in Escanaba. And then going into your day planner for your Thursday, sunrise occurring at 7:33 a.m. Temperatures are going to rise to around 40 degrees during the afternoon, eventually bottom out around 30 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. And then going into your Friday, as that system begins to push towards the east, we will begin to see more sunshine late in the day. That's going to continue all weekend long with partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. Temperatures reaching into those low 50s, so enjoy this spring weather. Take advantage of the outdoors. By the time we get towards the middle next week, though, the weather becomes a little shaky.